Another hair review. I'm going to be reviewing these clip-in extensions. Thank you to the company for sending these out for review, so let's go ahead and check them out. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing and trying out these hair extensions. They're actually 20-inch clip-in hair extensions. This is what you will expect when you get these hair extensions. They do come with a little net like this. This is just to prevent them from getting tangled up in the bag as they are being delivered to you. We go ahead and remove the netting. In your bag, you will also receive a little thank you from the company. It has their email and just a thank you for purchasing the hair extensions. You also get a little spray bottle. Now, I'm not sure if these hair extensions are going to match my hair to the T, but I do want to show you the quality. I want to go ahead and show you what they look like on. I want to go ahead and show you the clips. I want to install them here with you just so you could take a look and see these hair extensions. Now, they are available in a variety of colors, so if this is not your color, don't worry, because there are other color options available. So as you can see, this is not going to match my hair to the T, but I'm going to try my best to blend it in. But this is what the extensions come like. They come with like a natural sort of wave, similar to the one that I have on my hair right now. All right, so I went ahead and took the little ties off. Let me just go ahead and unfold these. Now you do get a total of 4 separate clip-in extensions. Now the largest one does have 4 clips. This is what it looks like. And I'm going to show you the clips right here. So this one is the one that has the most. This one has a total of 4 clips. I'm going to go ahead and unclip it, clip it back. So the clip itself does function properly. It opens and closes as I go ahead and open it and close it. It does have like this little lace for the clips. So you could see they are nice and smooth. Now these are synthetic wigs, so I wouldn't personally recommend using any high heat, but you could use a low heat setting if you are wanting to style them. This one right here has a total of 3 clips. Then you got these 2 with 2 clips. So I'll be using these towards the front. As you can see, it actually kind of meshes in a little bit with my hair. So let's go ahead and part my hair and try these out. So I like to divide my hair into 4 sections. So first I'm going to start by sectioning off my hair. I'm going to go kind of like where my ears are, like the middle of my head. So I will go across that area. And I just section it off with my fingers, but you could use a brush like this if you want a much straighter line. I personally just do it with my fingers. Okay, and I'm going to use the one that has the 4 clips across. So you want to make sure that you unlock the clips. They are all on the unlocked, and they should look something like this with the little claws ready to be put in. Now, something that you might want to do is tease your hair a little bit just for the clip to hook onto. I'm not going to do that right now. What I like to do is I push up and then pull down. So I kind of like push the clip up, pull it down to lock it into place, push up, then pull down, push up, pull down. And so far the clip is easy. I'm not having to struggle with it as I'm clipping it onto my hair. So we got the first part in, and my hair is kind of straighter on the back side, but don't worry, we could always style my hair. So then after that, I do like to go probably like a little bit higher on my head, and we're gonna go like this, again using my fingertips to just part my hair. And this next piece I'm going to also add it to the back of my hair, because remember we do have the 2 pieces that will go in the front with the 2 clips, so I will be using those towards the front of my hair. So right now I'm going to use this one right here. Again, you want to make sure you open up those clips. I could show you what I mean about teasing your hair towards the front just so you could go ahead and see it, but I have them in. The clips are in there. Then I release this part of my hair. And then for here, I kind of maybe want to go like around here, like where my eyebrow ends. Because you do want to leave a little bit of hair space just so your hair, natural hair, could block that hair extension. But what I mean about the teasing part, you want to tease it a little bit just so the hair extension clip could kind of like clip into the teased part of your hair. And I didn't do a very good job about it, but I just wanted to give you a little idea of what it was that I mean. So you want to just grab a little piece, tease that area, and this will actually clip in to it a little better. But so you want to make sure that it's not too much to the front. So I like to kind of start it around there. So you want to go up and back. That's the first one. And then the second one over here. And once you got that extension in, you want to just go ahead and release your hair. And again, these are not in the same color of my hair, but I just want to go ahead and give you a glimpse of what the length looks like. So you could actually use these for length or for volume. If you already have long hair, you could definitely use these to add a lot more volume to your hair. Now I'm going to finish installing this one right here. And I want to give you a closer look. Now, this is just a simple tip from myself. On this little bottle that they did include, I personally will either add a little bit of hairspray or a little bit of water. I like to put a little bit of water on the hair extensions themselves just to brush through them in case they're a little bit frizzy or anything like that. I do like to spray a little bit of water on them. All right, so again, I want to go ahead and create that division between my hair and clip them. And release the hair. So I'm pulling all the hair forward just to show you how nice and full my hair looks. So there is a slight difference in the hair color, but I just want to show you the volume, how nice the hair extensions look. They look very natural to my hair. So you can see my hair had those natural waves and they just kind of blended in to the extensions. Although they're not the same color, they do blend in nicely. So I'm going to go ahead and stand up, turn around and show you the back of the hair. So if you're on the lookout for 20-inch extensions, or if you want to just check out the variety of colors that they have available, I'll go ahead and leave the link down below, and also make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.